It's popular down here. In South Florida, people
Yep.
pressure clean their roof. They're cleaning their roof. They think they're doing a good thing.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, so a lot of people get letters from their homeowners association or their roof just isn't looking good. So they hire a pressure cleaner, they hire the guy from down the street that one of their neighbors used. And one of the things that is a danger that people don't realize is if somebody uses chemicals on your roof, it actually dries out the waterproof portion of the roof. The tile itself is not waterproof.
Right.
So what happens is it ages the roof quicker if you add chemicals like chlorine or bleach or anything like that. But what that does is if you can use chlorine or bleach, it makes it easier to clean the roof. So they'll pressure clean it, they'll put that on. It looks brilliant to the homeowner. It looks like an unbelievable product. But to be fair, the homeowner doesn't know any better because they don't understand that their roof is actually being ruined as that happens. And that's why I always recommend to somebody, have a roofer do it.
Right, absolutely. And there's so many different solutions out there, but specifically talking about chlorine, what is chlorine doing to the roof? Is it drying it out? Is it what does it do to the actual the what holds the roof together and protects
Yeah.
it?
So everything on a roof is, petroleum based. So its elasticity, ability to flex is what gives it its life. The second it dries out, which is what bleach does because it's a drying agent, it makes it brittle. This roofing material gets to 120 degrees, in a hot day, and then all of a sudden it starts pouring down rain, it'll drop to 70 degrees. That drastic drop in temperature cracks the paper. So if it's brittle, it'll crack easier with that thermal contraction. So like an old roof that's 20, 30 years old will crack a lot easier. So if you take a brand new roof, you add a drying agent, you age it to the 20-year-old roof.
That's a great point.
Quickly.
The thing is, you want basically your roof to be moisturized, to be, to
Yeah.
be able to sustain the elements, because not many places in the country will you get that variation as far as climate change
Correct.
and temperature change and all of that goes
Yeah,
into it.
there might be some areas where they do get a lot of rain, but this doesn't happen. We dealt with this before, at the end of the day during the summer like it is now, we're lucky that it's not pouring down rain right now.
Absolutely. And the thing is, it's so important where we're going to drop all of David's information below. Where can people contact you?
Yeah, on all different social media, davidbangeroofing.com is a great place.
Absolutely. So ask your questions, comment below, and get the information for what you can do to protect your roof.